Hi everyone, this is a quick video demonstrating how to replace the battery on the Gyroor hoverboard. So what you can see on the screen here, we're just showing the side of the back lid which you want to take off. So it is the opposite side of where the speaker is, and you can identify the speaker by looking at the little holes on the lid. So there's, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws which you do want to unscrew to remove the lid. And we'll just quickly fast forward here. There you go. So one thing I do advise is when you are removing the lid, just be careful because the screws can easily fall out. And what you're seeing on the screen now is just very important to disconnect first the power supply from the battery and then also the LED light cable from the lid and the hoverboard. Now, in order to get to the battery, or replace the battery rather, you would need to unscrew the printed circuit board, and to do that there's these 4 screws there which you can see now that need to be loosened. Now you just need to put it to one side there, and now you can see there's 4 screws securing the battery in as well. So there's one there which is a little bit difficult to see in the video right now, but you will be able to have a better look when you're doing it yourself, and then the 2 there which you can see. So once those screws are undone, it is a little bit finicky to get out, so just be patient with it. Just make sure you're not pulling too hard on any of the wires. But yeah, there you go, that's how you remove the battery. And then to install the battery back in, it's pretty much the opposite process. So again, a little bit finicky to get it in. Once it's in, just need to screw back in the 4 screws, and yeah, so it is a relatively straightforward process, but again it can be a little bit finicky. Now you want to screw back the printed circuit board in as well. So as you can see, there's holes in the housing which you can see that align with the extrusions in the board, and so you can line up quite easily and get them screwed into place. So that's the 4 screws of the circuit board done. Remember to connect the power supply and then also the lid as well. Just remember to connect the lid into the housing, and there you go, screw it back in and it's good to go.